Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to use the radio app on the Samsung Galaxy A07. The Samsung A07 comes with a built-in radio application and has a 3.5 headphone jack. To be able to use the radio, you must insert the headphones. Insert the headphones and open the app. It will automatically start scanning for available radio stations. If you have an SD card in your phone, the recording storage location will be set to the SD card. On the left side you have the power on or off the radio icon, and next to it on the right is the recording icon. If you want to set a radio station as a favorite, click on the star. Tap the three dots to open the menu. Here you have several options, including playing the radio sound through your phone speaker and a list of your recordings when you click on recordings. If you want to change the storage location, click on settings, then on storage and then on internal storage. The recordings will be saved on the phone's memory. This phone is a Samsung Galaxy A07 4G, and I will show you the software version of this phone. Other versions may not have the radio application. Please subscribe to my channel, it would help me a lot to continue making video tutorials. Thanks for watching and goodbye.